Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first thing, you will need just to go to the WooCommerce website. So make sure that it is woocommerce.com, and from here you will need just to click on get started. Simply, you will need just to choose your option, and probably it will be that you want to create store. And after that, you will need to choose a trusted hosting partner. And those are the suggested one. And choose any hosting services that you would like. And in this case, I'm just going for WordPress. And after that, you will need just to click on Get Started with Commerce. You click on it. And then you will need just to choose any option that describes you. You choose whatever you like. I'm just going to click on continue, and then you can start the trial and you can have your WooCommerce. And basically after you having your WooCommerce website added, etc., you will be able to start adding your plugin here. And then you in your WordPress you can start also adding the WordPress plugins or the WordPress plugin WooCommerce plugin by clicking on add new plugin, and basically you can just search for WooCommerce and you can simply add the plugin into your WordPress, and then you can add start having your website that is connected with WooCommerce, etc., etc. And basically, after having WooCommerce, you can start updating it from the plugins, etc. And you can now use your WooCommerce and you will start having your store that will be added and you can start customizing in it. And that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.